A snow squall is expected to hit Ottawa and eastern Ontario Tuesday evening, bringing high winds up to 70 km per hour and the possibility of zero visibility due to blowing snow. Environment Canada warns travel will likely be hazardous with sudden and significant reductions in visibility. Between 5 and 10 centimeters of snow is expected. Temperatures will drop to -18°C overnight, with a wind chill making it feel like -27°C. Tuesday's high will be -11°C, dropping to -13°C overnight, with a morning wind chill of -28°C, posing a frostbite risk. Residents are advised to prepare for rapidly changing and deteriorating travel conditions.